everyone, welcome back to my channel. I decided to sit down and just do this glam makeup look for pretty much no reason whatsoever, so if you'd like to know how I did it, just keep on watching. To start off, I went in with the Profusion brow palette with the shade Chocolate, and I used the Brow Gal angled eyebrow brush, I believe it is. And if you would like a more in-depth tutorial about how I do my eyebrows, let me know in the comments below. My eyebrows are naturally pretty dark, but they're also really thin and sparse from years and years of overplucking. So if you'd like to know how I actually really do it to make it look as you see me doing it here, just let me know.
Strangers, believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night, neath the pale moon. Loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my bite. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone.
Now to start off my eyes, I went in with the Morphe 3502 palette and the shade Flux on a Royal and Langnickel Moto Pro crease brush, and I just blended that right into my crease.
I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
Then I dipped into the shade Terracotta with the same brush and put that into the crease as well, just a little lower. And for the most part, for this whole eye look on my upper lids, I used the same brush. Then I took the shade In the Zone and focused it on the outer corner while dragging it a little into the crease as well. Then I went in with the shade Brunette, and I put it into the outer corner to deepen it up just a little more.
Creeping through the shadows and the corners of your mind. I go where the wind blows. I run but I don't hide.
Then I went back in with the shade Flux on a clean blending brush to soften out all the edges.
Call of the wild, whispering the name. No, I can't be tamed. My heart belongs to the night. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
Next, I went in with the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the shade Amethyst and ran that on the inner 2/3 of my lid.
I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
To give a little more definition in between the shimmer and the matte colors, I went back in with the shade Brunette on a Be a Small detail brush. Then taking that first brush, I went back in with the shade Brunette to blend those two colors together.
We're better off as strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me.
And then to really make this look really smoky, I went in with the shade Whiz on a defining crease brush and pop that into the outer corner. And then I went in with that Royal and Langnickel brush to blend out the edges.
I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
Then to start my base, I went in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation in the shade Ivory, and I buffed that into my skin with an AOA F4 brush. Then I went in with the Rimmel Lasting Finish Concealer, and I found that the warmth of my finger helped to blend this out, so that's what I did here. Then to set all of that into place, I went in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Transparent. For under my eyes, I went in with the BS Small Tapered Face Brush, and then for the rest of my face, I used the BS Small Angled Face Brush.
Creeping through the shadows and the corners of your mind. I go where the wind blows. I run but I don't hide. I hear the call of the wild.
Now to finish off my eyes, I went in with the shade Flux on a Wet n Wild flat shadow brush and ran that along my lower lashes.
Whispering the name, no I can't be tamed. My heart belongs to the night. I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
And then I went in with In the Zone on the same brush, but just ran it tighter to my lower lashes.
I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
And then I know this is a little repetitive, but then I went in with the shade Brunette on the same brush once again and ran it even closer to my lower lashes. And then finally for the last shadow, I went in with the shade Whiz on that BS Small detail brush and ran it super duper close to my lower lashes. And for mascara, I went in with the Tarte Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara and coated my top and lower lashes. To bronze up my skin, I went in with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunlight on a fluffy angled face brush.
Loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night. Neath the pale moon. Loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my body. I'm alone.
Next, I went in with this shade from the Bebella Cosmetics Contour Palette on a crown brush, and I used that to carve out my cheekbones and my jawline.
I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
Then I'm taking this shade from the BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette and using my favorite Royal & Langnickel Mother Pro Pointed Blush Brush. Then for highlight, I went in with the Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette, and I used a smaller, denser crown brush to highlight my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. Then to finish off this look, I went in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Lipstick in the shade Berry Recognize.
Creeping through the shadows and the corners of your mind. I go where the wind blows. I run but I don't hide. I hear the call of the wild, whispering the name. No, I can't be tamed. My heart belongs to the night.
And that completes this look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.
I'm alone.